Hello everyone, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about the linear function part 14, which is application of linear functions. Always say application of general functions. Okay, there are some useful for the general functions on the word problems because sometimes if we're dealing with the two different things, but these two things are related, the general form sometimes is the good choice. Okay, let's see a question here. Okay, a stack of bill contained $5 and $10 bills. Their total value is $140. So we don't know how much $5 bill and we don't know how much $20 bill we have, but we know the total money is $140. Okay, finding the intercept of this relation. What do you mean the intercept of this relation here? Okay, so we can think about this. If we have entire stack of bill only for $5, there's no $20 bill, only for $5. How much we have? We have a 28 bills, right? Think about this. We have $140 divided by 5 equal to 28 $5 bills. Okay, so that means if the $20 bill is nothing, we got a 25 $5 bill, 28 $5 bills, which is equal to $140. Okay, so think about this. If we don't have any $5 bills, all we have is the $20 bills. We're gonna have a seven $20 bills and then no $5 bill. We still got 140, right? That means we got a x and a y intercept here. Okay, so I'm going to talk more detail about these things. Let's see the next one. We're going to write equations of related variables. Okay, what is equations? How to write this? Think about this. We can say we have a five f pieces of $5 bill, and then we have a t pieces of $20 bill. Okay, so if we have f pieces, $5 bill, how much in total? It'll be $5 each, right? There are how many pieces? For example, I have two pieces, will be 2 times 5. Three pieces will be 3 times 5. Make sense? Okay, so we have a f piece of $5 bills. So we got a $5 times f plus $20 times t, which is the t number of $20 bill. For example, you can have three $20 bill, which is equal to total $60. And then the rest of $80 will be $5, which is equal to 16 pieces of $5 bill. So these two suppose add up equal to $140. Now that is our relation. Okay, so that is the relation variables. Okay, so we can we can say $5 is independent variables, and then the t is dependent variable, or vice versa. It's okay. Okay, so one determine the other one. So we got a 5f plus 20t equal to $140. That is the relationship. Okay, and then let's see next one. We got to graph this relationship. Okay, how to graph it? So we got a 5f and then plus 20t equal to 140, right? Good. So let's see. If, again, let's go back to here. If we don't have any $20 bills, so I mean $20 bills equal to 0. We're going to have a 25 $5 bill, right? Good. So that means t is, this is t, this is f. Okay? That means we don't have any t here. The t must be 0 here. Okay? And then f will be how much? 28, right? Which is in here, this part. Okay? And then if we don't have any $5 bills, so $5 bill here is 0, and then how much $20 bill we got? We got 7, right? Which is in here, $7, 7 pieces. Make sense? Okay, now we just draw a line between these two dots. So this line is the relationship for what we just built. Okay, that means any point on this graph, any point on this graph will meet our requirement to fit in this relationship. Any point is not in this graph, is not fit in our relationship. What that means, let's see this question here. Determine if it is possible to have a 12 $5 bill and then 4 $20 bill. Okay, that means our $5 bill, which is 12 $5 bill, which is something here. We got a 12, and then there are 4 $20, which is here. And then if we making a line here, and then 12, seems we got a dot. Okay, let's see if it actually is makes sense. So 12 $5 bill, which is a 12 times 5, okay, plus 4 times 20. How much is it? 12 times 5 is 60. 4 times 20 is 80. We got 140. Yes. So it's our relationship. That is totally possible. 12 $5 bill and then 4 $20 bill. That's okay. Okay? So this point is on the graph. See? So x value is no x value. So f value is the 12. So the t value is 4. Okay? Now they're asking, is there have $18 of $5 bill, 18 $5 bill, and then 6 $20 bill. We got 18 here, which is here, and then 6, which is here. If we're going the same thing to here and 18, we got this point. Obviously, this point is not in our line. That means this point is not fit in our relationship. So it's not in our relationship. That means it's not making our function satisfied. Let's see why. 18 times 5 is how much? It's $90, right? And then plus 6 times 20 equal to $120, which is equal to $210. So it's not equal to $140. So it is impossible to have this amount of money. So this one is impossible. Make sense? So this is bring up a good point. So actually, why are we doing a functions? Function is a collection of all the situations in being considered or satisfied this relation. Okay, you might not very understand. For now, it's okay. It makes sense. We're gonna talk about functions individually in other part of tutorials. Okay, for now, this is how to answer these questions. All right. Right now, we're gonna find a number of $5 bills there if there are 5 20s. If there are 5 20s, so be $5. I don't know how much $5 bill we're gonna have, but we know we're gonna have 5 $20 bill, and then we still have $140. That means 5f equal to 140 minus 100. So f equal to 5f f equal to 40, and then f equal to 8. That means we're going to have 8 $5 bills. Let's see on the graph, is it make sense or not? Okay, if we have a $5 $20 bills, we connect these things, and then we're looking for this point. We're going down, we see exactly 8 here. So we solve these questions both algebraically and then graphically. Okay, so this is very commonly asked question on the exams. So please make sure you can understand these things and then by yourself. Okay, try to do these questions yourself. And then if you're confused about the functions, the point, relation, something, please refer my the other playlist of the video is called functions. Okay, I will have a lot of explanations about how function react to each others and then how function convert into relationships. Okay, so I hope you like my videos. Please subscribe if you do. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will try to answer your question in my next videos. Thank you for watching.